15,000 years. 15,000. That is the oral history of the Huichol people. One of the reasons why we know this about the Huichol is because they have carbon dated some of the ashes from their ceremonial ovens. The Huichol, or as they're known to themselves as the Oaxatari, are an indigenous population in the Sierra Madres of the western side of Mexico. Truly a beautiful people and culture. And they were discovered late in Columbian times. And today, their traditions and their shamanism and own culture and religion still survive. In fact, almost thrive compared to most of the other indigenous populations. Now, part of the reason for that is they did not have a warring faction or warring class in their tribes or groups. So they were a peaceful people. And when the Spaniards first arrived off the coast of Mexico in the Puerto Vallarta area, they decided rather to engage them, they would retreat. So they decided to move up into the Sierra Madres to maintain their culture. And imagine now, it was almost 200 years later than any of the other Aboriginal tribes were discovered. Now, they still live mostly in isolation in the Madres. And as a result, they've been able to maintain their traditions. And the Mexican government now even recognizes their right to use peyote in their ceremonies. So these are the peyote people of Mexico. They're not the only tribe using peyote, but they certainly are perhaps the most famous. They are believed to have originated in what's called the San Luis Potosi area or state of Mexico, which is their original tribal land, which is in fact actually inland in the high desert plains between the two mountainous regions of Mexico. And now that they mostly reside in the high Sierra Madres on the west coast, they still tend to do a pilgrimage back to their traditional territories where they find the peyote buds. So this is the story of the Huichol. And imagine 15,000 years is 700 generations. We're lucky if we remember three of our generations. So I'm inviting you to come on a journey to learn more about these amazing people, the Huichol.
How long was that, Peter?